Meiji Jingu, Tokyo's hidden sacred forest. Imagine walking through one of the busiest cities in the world. Tokyo is famous for skyscrapers, neon lights, crowded streets, and modern technology. But hidden in the middle of this enormous city is a place that feels completely different. A massive wooden Torii gate welcomes you into a peaceful forest. The sounds of traffic slowly disappear, and the busy city seems miles away. This is Meiji Jingu, one of Tokyo's most famous Shinto shrines. But behind its beautiful forest is a fascinating story of Japan's history and transformation. Let's discover it. The story of Emperor Meiji. Meiji Jingu is dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken. Emperor Meiji ruled Japan during a period of enormous change. During his reign, Japan rapidly modernized. Railways expanded, industries developed, new technology arrived, and Tokyo began transforming into a modern capital. After Emperor Meiji died in 1912, people wanted to create a special place to honor him and Empress Shoken. That place became Meiji Jingu, the incredible forest. Construction of the shrine began in 1915, but the most impressive part of the project was the forest. Thousands of trees were planted around the shrine. Trees were brought from different regions of Japan. The planners had a long-term vision. They didn't want to create an ordinary garden. They wanted the trees to grow naturally and eventually form a real forest. More than 100 years later, their vision has become reality. Today, Meiji Jingu is surrounded by a vast green forest in the heart of Tokyo. Entering the shrine, the journey begins at the enormous Torii gate. In Shinto tradition, a Torii marks the entrance to a sacred space. Once you pass through it, the atmosphere changes immediately. A wide gravel path takes you deeper into the forest. Tall trees surround you on both sides. The further you walk, the quieter Tokyo becomes. It's hard to believe that one of the world's busiest cities is just outside, the main shrine. Eventually, the forest opens and the main shrine appears. The traditional Japanese architecture creates a beautiful contrast with modern Tokyo. Visitors come here to pray, make offerings, and experience Shinto traditions. Meiji Jingu is also known for traditional Japanese weddings. Seeing people dressed in traditional clothing walking to the shrine grounds can feel like watching history come alive. This is not simply a museum. Meiji Jingu remains an active place of worship. New Year at Meiji Jingu. One of the busiest times at Meiji Jingu is Japanese New Year. Millions of people visit the shrine during this period. They come to pray for happiness, health, success, and good fortune. The peaceful forest suddenly becomes filled with people. Long lines form around the shrine. For visitors, it is a fascinating experience because it shows how traditional Japanese customs continue in modern Tokyo. A shrine that was rebuilt. Meiji Jingu has also experienced destruction. During World War II, the original shrine buildings were destroyed by fire. But the story didn't end there. After the war, the shrine was rebuilt with support from people across Japan. The rebuilt Meiji Jingu became a symbol of recovery. Just like Tokyo, it had suffered destruction but managed to rise again. Why Meiji Jingu is special. What makes Meiji Jingu truly special is its incredible contrast. Outside the forest are highways, shopping districts, skyscrapers, and millions of people. Inside, there are trees, traditional architecture, silence, and spiritual traditions. It feels like two different worlds existing side by side. And that's what makes Meiji Jingu such an important part of Tokyo. It connects the modern city with Japan's cultural past. Conclusion: Meiji Jingu is more than just a famous shrine. It is a place where history, nature, spirituality, and modern Tokyo come together. Its forest tells a story of careful planning. Its shrine tells a story of Emperor Meiji. And its survival shows the resilience of Tokyo and Japan. So, the next time you see Tokyo's futuristic skyline, remember that somewhere among those skyscrapers is a peaceful forest hiding one of Japan's most remarkable landmarks. This is Meiji Jingu, Tokyo's sacred forest, and a timeless connection to Japan's past. Thanks for watching World Explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating stories from around the world.